3 tips on how to keep your barn curtains working better. So the first step is don't leave the cows get a hold of them. We're here in my family farm, freestall barn, 200 cows. We put the curtains on about 15 years ago, and we started out by doing high tensile wires 6 inches apart. Great idea, but it didn't actually work that great. You can see over here, in a couple years, the cows were getting they have a little stubby horn because you didn't dehorn them quite right. They lick all day long. It didn't take real long, and we soon had holes in. These are still all the original curtains on this barn from 2008, and it's kind of shredded up a little bit here on the one side, and we'll show that to you. Another thing is that we learned the retention strap. Keep them from flopping in the wind. If they flop in the wind, they get beat up. We were fortunate we didn't leave these flop too much, but here on the north side, we used ropes because that was the least cost, and they're coming loose. And they got wrapped in already. Fortunately, with a ventilation controller we make, it monitors their torque and shuts them off. But if you go out one that's just going to crank and crank and crank and it gets wrapped in, it'll just bust things. The story of this farm is it's my dad's farm. This was the equipment shed at one time. We slowly started renovating it from the one end. We put all the curtains on. We did all the concreting. So we did the headlocks, the freestalls, everything we did ourselves, my brother and I, my dad. One thing it did was teach me how to work. And these curtains are on for around 15 years now.